Hello, USD 491 staff. This is a presentation and some things we can take away for cyberbullying prevention. So what is cyberbullying? According to Cyber Shaolin, cyberbullying is bullying that takes place using electronic technology such as through phones, email, or social media. Cyberbullying is any type of harassing, threatening, or demeaning language. According to Fraser, girls are more likely to be involved in cyberbullying as either the bully or the victim. About 1/3 to 1/2 of our youth are being targeted by cyberbullies. What are the top 10 forms of cyberbullying? That includes exclusion, harassment, outing, which is posting someone's private information, cyber stalking, fraping, which is impersonation, fake profiles, dissing, trickery, which is befriending and then sharing secrets, trolling, which is provoking for a response, and catfishing. Why is it important to know about cyberbullying? As staff here at USD 491, we need to be aware of our own policies around bullying, how to address bullying situations, and how we can prevent bullying from occurring. 49 states have bullying prevention laws, which require schools to develop policies in addressing how they will handle bullying, and that includes Kansas. Cyberbullying is a growing issue and can lead to depression, skipping school, or even suicide. So as staff, this is a super important topic that we should be well versed in and can address. So what can we do as staff to prevent cyberbullying? The first thing we can do is ensure we have an effective school policy. According to Hinduja and Patchen, 6 elements for an effective school policy include specific definitions of harassment, intimidation, and bullying, graduated consequences and remedial actions, procedures for reporting and investigating, specifics about how a student can be disciplined for off-campus behavior if it disrupts learning or infringes on the rights of other students, and procedures for preventing cyberbullying. So taking a look at our policy, USD 491 has a plan and a policy which gives a specific definition for bullying and cyberbullying. This policy also includes consequences for bullying, procedures for reporting and investigating, and specifics about off-campus behavior affecting learning. What can we add? What should we kind of take a look at would be adding procedures for preventing bullying. All of these procedures and policies are located on our board docs for parents, students, and staff to see. The second thing we can do is focus on implementing these 4 prevention practices, including debunking misperceptions about digital behavior, building empathy and understanding, teaching online safety skills, and equipping students with strategies to reject cyberbullying in their lives. So that's what we can do as teachers and as staff inside the classrooms. And then the third thing is to engage parents. It is important to make sure parents are engaged. This can help lessen the likelihood of their child being targeted or engaging in cyberbullying. Parents should also monitor their child's online activity, talk to their children, and be a trusted adult. Encourage their child to speak up and spend time with their child. While these are always parents can help prevent cyberbullying, staff can also engage in these activities in the classroom to help prevent cyberbullying on and off campus. And here are some of the references from the slides. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.